Welcome to Boating Journey. I'm Scott and she's Allie. We own 2 boats in the Pacific Northwest, but have recently found ourselves boatless after moving to southern Florida. We moved to be closer to different boating opportunities and the Caribbean, our favorite boating destination. Our goals are to explore the Florida waters, bring you some new boat tours, and hopefully find our next boat. So come along and follow us on our boating journey. This week, we're back at the Miami Boat Show to tour a 2023 Fontaine Pajot Power 67 Catamaran. With an overall length of nearly 65 feet and a massive beam of 32 feet, she has plenty of room for all your cruising activities. For this tour, I'm giving you my initial impression of the boat as I view it for the first time. This is not intended to be an all-inclusive sales pitch. So let's check it out. We're going to walk around the front. Beautiful teak decks, flush hatches. Oh, I was not expecting this.
How are you? Hey, how are you?
Hot tub.
Yeah.
I was not expecting that. How cool is that? I'm going to step across. This is a great little entertainment pit. There's plenty of outdoor living space here. You do have access, I'm guessing, to maybe the primary. I'll have to do that once we go inside. Just beautiful. Wow. Walking back aft on the starboard. You can get a quick peek into the fly bridge, which we'll head up to right now.
More?
Wow. Perfect. Coming up to the fly bridge. Oh, again, a nice surprise. You'll see we have solar panels, 3 large array, plenty of seating. I don't know if I would use black as the color, because that is going to get really hot. Entering the upper fly bridge though, we see that we have a retractable roof, plenty of seating on either side, plenty of shade up here as well. Looks like we have another outdoor space. We have the sink, we have refrigerator, storage, nice table, more seating. You got your Garmin helm up here, side power bow and stern thrusters, as well as joystick control. Although something like this, a 32-foot beam, I think you could probably get away with just controlling the engines this way. Very heavy duty construction for the top. We'll head back down and in. Oh, I know, it's a trick question, a trick. Get down, there we go. I wasn't pushing hard enough. Thank you. Entering. Let me just do a quick pan because this is enormous. I don't know what to say. I mean, you have storage. I'm sure one of these is a dishwasher. Yep, dishwasher. Refrigerator. Storage. This is probably more storage. We have a 5-burner gas cooktop, microwave oven. We have another refrigerator, beverage cooler. Over here we have seating area. We have the nav station with controls, so you can actually operate the boat from inside. And just look at this dining area. Huge. And if you're asking where the TV is, it's right here. TV pops out right here, comes up for entertainment. You have this heavy duty seagoing door sealing you out from the inside, but it allows you to get to the front of the boat. As we go into the port side hull, I'm not sure if this is an owner's or not. Nope. We see a nice comfortable bedroom berth with, it's an ensuite, separate shower stall, which is nice. Sorry about the blinking. Good storage on the back side. Good storage on either side. Plenty of storage down below here. Somewhat of a hanging locker, I'm assuming, in here. Yep. I like that. It's not fully divided, so you can put things on from either side. Heading aft, we see it's twin. And that's exactly what it is. It's just a twin berth here. I'll just do a little pass here. Again, same setup. We have the shower, sink, and toilet. Sorry about the flickering. As we cross across to the starboard side, I do wish these had more handrails going up and down the stairs. To aft, we have a generous walk-in bath. I like this with a separate toilet for privacy. I like that. Very large shower with lights and a built-in shade for privacy as well. So we enter into the primary suite or primary berth. Full walk around, I would dare say is a king. Pop-up TV. Again, opening port lights, shades for privacy and darkness. Storage, hanging lockers. Plenty of storage down below. And of course we have access from here out to the bow, so that you could go straight from here to the bow to have your morning coffee. Just beautiful. And of course you have this door to slide closed for privacy. So we have a hydraulic lift for your dinghy, swim deck.
If you like this episode, please give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell. Thanks again for your support, and see you next time.